For this project, you will need a tray. I use rectangular and circular baking trays from the Dollar Tree, white coffee filters, a spray bottle filled with water, paints of your choice, and a paintbrush. For the first texture, I'm using some old Reeves watercolor paints. To prevent the filter from adhering to the tray, you can place a sheet of wax paper underneath. Then place a coffee filter on the tray and spray it with water until it's evenly saturated and lies flat. Apply your paint to the filter. Add extra water to blend the paint. Once you're happy with your composition, let it dry overnight. Here's the scan texture from this method. The aging watercolor paints created unexpected patterns as they spread and separated. For the second texture, I'm using cheap acrylic paint. Begin by spraying the coffee filter and applying your desired acrylic paint colors. Then spray water into the paint and work the water and paint together with a paintbrush. I also tapped my paintbrush, which was loaded with the darkest color, to create speckles. Once you're happy with it, let it dry overnight. Here's the scan texture from the acrylic method. This filter has bold areas where I use more paint, and the opposite side has its own texture too. For the third and fourth textures, I'm using Liquitex acrylic inks. For the third texture, spray the coffee filter with water and apply your chosen ink. Tilt the tray to manipulate the flow of the ink. For the fourth texture, I'm working on a pre-coffee stained filter. I enhanced the stained effect by adding more brown ink and also added a few touches of red, and then I let it dry overnight. Here are the scan textures from both ink methods. Diluting the inks created soft, subtle tones. In the next video in this series, I'll show you how to use your scan painted textures in your digital art projects. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for more creative tutorials, and join my free membership, Morrow & Co. Press, to get access to exclusive resources, printables, and monthly videos to support your creative journey.